Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and this time I wanted to share to you how I created these beautiful thumbnails. And FYI, I shoot all my videos and edit them through my phone using specific apps. So in this one, I will share to you how I create these beautiful thumbnails using the app called Thumbnail Maker. So if you're interested in learning how I created these beautiful thumbnails, please keep on watching and I will share to you the step-by-step procedure so that you can do the same for your blogs or your YouTube uploads. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to go to the App Store. Since we are using one app, let's go to the App Store and search for Thumbnail Maker. It's this one. Since I already downloaded this app, all I need to do is open it, but in your case you have to download it. So let me open this one, and here you can choose the first one. It says Thumbnail Maker, and they have a lot of choices here, templates that you can use. So this app comes in a paid and free version, and in the free version there are a lot of templates that are also free. I think there are 39 templates in total, and 11 of that are free to use. But since I pay for it, so everything says here free for me. So let's use this one. Let's recreate my blue city thumbnail. So add the photo. So let me add the flag and then search for that one, since that's the flag of Morocco. And then let me add the photos that I use. That's the photo that I want to use. That's good. And then here at the bottom there are options for text, and then let me go here and then say add image. Let me add this one, and then just keep clicking OK. And then I want to add my thing here. Let me do it like this. Alright, let me make it bigger so people can see it. That's the ostrich. Okay, so I think that's good for me. And then let's add the text here. Let's see here. If you click the check sign, it will go to the different font that you can choose. So let me use the one that I've already used, this one, and let me click edit text and say OMG, I'm in the blue city. Let's make it smaller. There we go. And then let's add another text. Let's see. Chef Shawan 2020. And then let's look for the font that we would like to use. That one is too much. This one is good. And there you go. So that's the finished product. It's so easy, and then you just click here and then save as picture. But there's also another option if you want to save it directly to your YouTube, but you have to download the YouTube creator. So you can also upload to YouTube, but in my case I'm gonna save it to my camera roll. So that's it, and then we can close the app and let's go to the camera roll, and you will see there it is, the finished product that we made. So yeah, that's simple. So if you have any questions, or if you didn't manage to follow it, just let me know in the description or in the comment below, and also I will write in the description the step-by-step procedure and how to make this one. So yeah, so if you like to make your thumbnail more presentable or more catchy, try using this app. It's called Thumbnail Maker. So that's it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content of my channel, and please click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I have a new upload. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.